Hi guys, Lewis here. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to use SignNow, especially if you're just starting out. SignNow is an incredible platform for signing, managing, and sharing documents electronically. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through everything you need to know about SignNow. First, I'll show you how to sign up. Then, we'll take a quick tour of the SignNow dashboard so you can find your way around easily. After that, we'll look at how to create documents and set up teams to work together smoothly. Finally, I'll show you how to integrate SignNow with other platforms. So, let's get started. First off, let me give you a quick overview of SignNow. SignNow is a cloud-based e-signature solution that allows you to electronically sign, store, and manage documents. It eliminates the need for physical paperwork, saves time and money, and provides a more efficient way of handling document transactions. With SignNow, you can upload any document in various formats: PDF, Word, or Excel, or create your own custom document using their drag and drop editor. You can then send it out for signatures to multiple recipients with just a few clicks. SignNow also offers advanced features like document templates, custom branding and messaging, in-person signing on mobile devices, audit trails, and tracking of document activity. It's secure, legally binding, and compliant with major electronic signature laws such as eSign, UETA, and GDPR. To get started with SignNow, you'll need to first create an account. So go to signnow.com, and once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner. You'll see the free trial button. Just click on that. Next, you'll see different options to create your account. You can sign up using your Google account, Microsoft account, Facebook, or just your email address. Simply choose the option that works best for you. For this tutorial, we'll use Google. Click on the Google option and grant the necessary permissions. In just a few seconds, your SignNow account will be ready and you'll be taken straight to your dashboard. It's that simple. The dashboard is where you'll manage everything: your documents, teams, and settings. On the left side of the dashboard, there is a menu with main tabs. First, there's the Documents tab. This is where you'll upload, organize, and send files for signatures. Next up is the Contacts tab. This is where you can save people you work with, like clients, teammates, or anyone else. That way, it's super easy to send them documents and keep track of their responses. Next, we have the Reports tab. This tab provides insights into your activity. You can see how many documents you've sent, created, have pending, and completed. If you're a developer, the API tab is for you. It lets you connect SignNow to other software, so you can add e-signature features to your own apps or systems. The Organizations tab is where you can set up your own organization. Then there's the Admin console. This is where account admins handle everything, like subscriptions, managing users, and billing. Lastly, there's the More Features tab. This is where you'll find more features like cloud storage, integrations, and more. Once you get used to these tabs, SignNow will feel simple to use. The dashboard keeps everything in one place, so you can stay organized, work faster, and manage your documents with ease. Now, let's discuss how you can create a document. To create a document, click on the plus create button, then hover over the document option. Now, you'll see options to create a new document like upload, create document group, import from cloud storage, import via URL, and add from forms library. If you want to upload a document directly from your device, simply click the upload option and then choose the file you want to work on. Once the document is uploaded, it will open in the editor where you can make changes, add elements, and prepare it for final use. On the left side of the editor, you'll see a bunch of tools to help you customize your document. You can add interactive elements like signature fields, text boxes for people to fill out, or date and time fields to mark important moments. There are also fields for names, emails, and checkboxes for multiple options, or radio buttons if you need people to just pick one. Plus, you can add drop-down menus for easy selection, attachment fields for uploading files, and stamp fields for approval. If you need calculations, there are formula fields for things like totals or percentages. The best part is you can simply drag and drop these elements wherever you want in the document. For example, if you want to add a signature field to your document, all you need to do is click on the signature option and drag it from the left panel and drop it into the desired location within your document. Once you add the signature field, it will appear with an adjustable box labeled signature. You can move this box to align it perfectly with the area where the recipient is required to sign. Additionally, the field is automatically assigned to the designated recipient. You can manage or update the recipient using the drop-down menu button next to recipient option. From here, you can add a new recipient. Plus, you can duplicate, delete, and drag the signature field wherever you want. Besides adding elements to your document, the top section of the editor contains all the quick tools you'll need to get started. You can use undo and redo buttons to easily fix mistakes or reapply changes. Plus, you'll find formatting options to adjust text style, alignment, font size, and other design elements to make your document look just right. You can also save your document, close the editor if you're not ready to send it yet, or preview it to see exactly how it will look to the recipient. On the right side of the editor, there's a panel with thumbnail previews of your document pages. This makes it easy to jump between pages by simply clicking on the thumbnails. You can also see how many pages your document has and rearrange them by dragging and dropping them into the order you want. When everything looks good and you're ready to move on, just click the Continue button in the top right corner. A pop-up window will appear where you can specify the recipient for the document. Enter the email or contact name and then click the Send Now button. Hey, quick interruption. Are you searching for the most efficient way to manage your business, life, or finances? Well, I'm excited to share a valuable resource with you all. We've developed top-notch Notion templates to streamline your business operations, enhance your personal organization, and optimize your financial management. Click the link down in the description of this video to check it out. All right, back to the video. Now, let's go over how to create a contact in SignNow. It's really simple. On the left side of your dashboard, find the Contacts tab and click on it. This will take you to a new screen where you can see all your saved contacts. Add a contact, look for the plus Create Contact button. This form lets you fill in all the details about a contact in a simple and organized way. First up is the Contact Details section. Here, you'll enter the basics like the first and last name. These are required, so make sure they're accurate. Next is the email field, where you'll fill in the contact's email address. This part is super important because you can't create or manage contacts in SignNow without it. Right after that, there's a phone number field, and you can even pick the right country code from the drop-down menu. After that comes the company information section. This is where you can add the company name the contact works for and their job title. Next up is the address section. First, pick your country or region from a drop-down menu. After that, just type in your street address, apartment or unit number if you have one, city, state or region, and zip or postal code. This part makes sure all your contact details are correct. Lastly, there's the additional details section at the bottom. This is where you can add any extra notes or details about the contact, like special preferences or instructions. Once you've filled out all the fields, you've got a couple of options at the bottom of the form. If you hit Save Contact, it'll save the info and take you back to the main contact list. But if you need to add another contact right away, click Save and Add Another Contact to keep things moving. And if you change your mind, just hit Cancel to exit without saving anything. SignNow is a cloud-based e-signature solution that allows you to electronically sign, store, and manage documents. It eliminates the need for physical paperwork, saves time and money, and provides a more efficient way of handling document transactions. With SignNow, you can upload any document in various formats, PDF, Word, or Excel, or create your own custom document using their drag and drop editor. You can then send it out for signatures to multiple recipients with just a few clicks. And that's it for this tutorial. Today, we covered how to create your SignNow account, explored the dashboard, and learned how to create documents and add contacts. I hope this video has made everything clear and easy to follow. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. If you have any questions or want to share your experience with SignNow, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you.